Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. Didn't really mean to make a second one, but somebody watched it. I just made this yesterday. And they asked how I made those wavy lines. There are several ways, but the way I find is easy is to take a 2-point line and then go down to your drop shadow tool or your shadow tool, go down to distort. Right here, pick on zipper distortion. And right here is your frequency, is how many it's going to do. So there at one added 1 node, 4 nodes, 5 nodes, whatever you want to put. And then right here is your how much it's going to increase it off the line. So you can just start clicking and you can get sharp points like this. But then you can go right here to smooth distortion. And it gives you that perfect wavy line. And then all I did, I just Control D and make a duplicate. You can do it 2 ways. You could move it down and then just Control D. I find it sometimes easier just to hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it down, select them both, go up to effects and blend. And we're going to blend them just like 8 times. And now you have those lines. Now, when you're doing this, whenever you use a blend, you need to break the blend apart. And then some of these are still grouped together. You can just select them all and group them all together. And by doing that, now you can bring in your text like we did yesterday, or doesn't have to be text. It could be different shapes. This might be a cool one. And you just kind of make sure you kind of get all of them. And then select them both. And what we showed yesterday was intersect. I like intersect over selecting them all, go back minus front. One, you never knew which is front, which is back. So this is just the opposite because I drew the ellipse second. If I go front minus back, then I get what I wanted, but it still has that outline. That, could or could not be a good or bad thing. Just all depends. And then if you wanted to, you could do things like this with that text. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.